As most people know, credit matters. Your credit score and your ability to access credit, including personal and business credit cards, have a direct impact on your financial well-being. This training manual will provide actionable steps and useful information on how to manage and optimize your credit score, and how to make credit balances disappear from your credit report, legally and effectively. Understanding credit and its importance. Your credit score is a key factor in determining your ability to secure loans, credit cards, and even business funding. The process of understanding how credit works is essential for anyone looking to leverage it for business or personal purposes. In this guide, we'll explain the fundamental aspects of credit, how to reduce or eliminate debt from your credit report, and the strategies to maintain a high credit score. The basics of credit scores. Your credit score is calculated based on 5 major factors. 1. Payment history, 35%, the timeliness of your past payments. 2. Credit utilization, 30%, the amount of available credit you use. 3. Length of credit history, 15%, how long you've had credit. 4. Credit mix, 10%, a variety of credit types, e.g., loans, credit cards. 5. New credit inquiries, 10%, the number of times your credit report is checked. Credit utilization is one of the most significant factors. As a general rule, you should aim to keep your credit usage ratio below 30% of your available credit. This demonstrates that you're using credit responsibly without over-leveraging yourself. How credit usage affects your credit score. When you use credit, your credit report reflects the balance and credit utilization ratio, which impacts your credit score. For example, if you have a $5,000 credit limit and a $100 balance, your utilization ratio would be 2%. Even if your balance is paid off before the due date, the balance may still appear on your credit report, depending on when the creditor reports your balance to the credit bureaus. For individuals with high credit scores, such as an 850 FICO score, the average credit utilization is 5.8%, according to Experian. This shows that even people with excellent credit may carry a small balance from time to time, but it's crucial to keep the overall utilization low. Strategies for reducing your credit balance. A common misconception is that carrying a small balance month to month can improve your credit score. While it may seem that a small ongoing balance demonstrates responsible credit management, the reality is that credit utilization is more important. Here are some strategies to help maintain a high credit score and reduce debt. 1. Pay your bills on time. Timely payments are the number one factor in maintaining a high credit score. Late payments can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years. 2. Keep balances low. Aim to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30% of your available credit. Ideally, reduce it even further, with 10% being the optimal target for those aiming for the highest scores. 3. Avoid closing old accounts. Closing old credit accounts can negatively impact your credit score by reducing your overall available credit and shortening your credit history. 4. Monitor your credit report. Regularly review your credit report to ensure all the information is accurate and up to date. 5. Use your credit cards regularly. If you don't use your credit cards, they may be closed by the issuer, reducing your available credit and negatively affecting your score. It's important to maintain activity on your cards by making occasional purchases and paying them off monthly. How to make credit balances disappear. One effective strategy for reducing your personal credit balance is by transferring the balance to a business credit card. Here's how it works. 1. Obtain a business credit card. You don't necessarily need a formal business to apply for a business credit card. Some banks allow individuals with side hustles or freelance work to open business accounts. 2. Transfer personal balances to business credit. By transferring personal credit card balances to a business credit card, the balance no longer appears on your personal credit report. This removes the debt from your personal credit score and can potentially increase your personal credit score, as it reduces your overall credit utilization. 3. Leverage business credit. Unlike personal credit cards, business credit cards often come with higher limits and no personal impact. Business credit is designed to allow you to borrow more, pay interest, and grow your business without negatively affecting your personal credit. Why this strategy works? By transferring personal credit card debt to a business credit card, you essentially shield your personal credit report from the debt. While the debt remains on the business credit card, it does not impact your personal credit score. This allows you to maintain a lower utilization ratio on your personal credit, which can help improve your credit score over time. Maintaining a strong credit score. To maintain an excellent credit score, pay off balances in full each month to avoid interest charges. Use credit responsibly by keeping balances low and paying bills on time. Don't close old accounts, keep them active to maintain a long credit history. Use business credit strategically to manage debt without impacting personal credit scores. Conclusion: maintaining a solid credit score is essential for accessing the credit you need, whether for personal reasons or to fund your business. By understanding how credit works and using strategies like balance transfers to business credit cards, you can legally and effectively make credit balances disappear from your personal credit report. Remember, a low credit utilization ratio, timely payments, and strategic use of credit cards can significantly enhance your credit score. Keep using these tips to maintain a healthy financial profile and leverage credit for personal and business growth. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on credit, business financing, and leveraging debt to build wealth.